Purpose. When an incident or injury occurs on the job site, follow this procedure to secure the scene, provide aid, document everything, and report to the PM/office immediately. Proper incident documentation protects the injured person, the crew, and the company. Before you start, an incident, injury, near miss, or property damage has occurred. Safety of all people is the first priority, always. Secure the scene and provide aid first. Call 911 immediately if there is a serious injury, structural collapse, fire, gas leak, or any life-threatening situation. Administer first aid if trained and it is safe to do so. Do not move a seriously injured person unless they are in immediate danger. Clear the area of all non-essential personnel. Shut off any equipment, power, or utilities that contributed to the incident if safe to do so. Barricade the scene. Do not allow anyone to alter, clean up, or disturb the incident area until it has been documented and the PM/office authorizes cleanup. Notify the PM and office immediately. Call the PM by phone. Do not rely on a text or job tread message alone. If the PM is unreachable, call the office/admin or your company's emergency contact. Provide your name, the job name and address. What happened? Brief summary. Who is injured, if anyone, and their condition. Whether emergency services have been called. Whether the scene is secure. Document the scene after people are safe. Once all injured persons are being cared for and the scene is secure, begin documentation. Photograph the scene extensively. Wide shots showing the overall area and context. Close-ups of the hazard, equipment, or conditions involved. Any tools, equipment, or materials involved in the incident. Conditions that may have contributed, wet surface, broken railing, missing guard, etc. Warning signs or safety equipment that was or was not in place. If there are witnesses, note their names and what they observed. Do not record formal statements, that is for the PM or safety officer. Do not alter the scene for photos. Document it exactly as it is. Tag all photos as incident in company cam or job tread. Complete an incident report in job tread. Open the job tread app and navigate to the job. Create a daily log FF7 titled or tagged as an incident report. Document the following in the log. Date and time, exact date and time of the incident. Location, specific area within the job site. Persons involved, names of anyone injured or involved. Description, factual account of what happened, who, what, when, where, how. Injuries, type and severity of any injuries. Note if EMS was called. Equipment/materials, any tools, equipment, or materials involved. Contributing factors, conditions that may have contributed, weather, site conditions, equipment failure. Witnesses, names and contact info of witnesses. Immediate actions taken, first aid, 911 called, area secured, equipment shut off. Photos, attach all incident photos. Write facts only. Do not speculate about fault, blame, or liability. Do not write, "It was his fault," or "the company should have." Stick to what happened. Preserve all evidence. Do not discard or alter any materials, tools, or equipment involved in the incident. Do not clean up the scene until authorized by the PM, safety officer, or insurance carrier. If equipment was involved, lock it out and tag it until it can be inspected. Preserve the delivery ticket, inspection logs, safety check logs, and any other documents from the day. Follow-up. Cooperate with any investigation by the PM, safety officer, insurance adjuster, or OSHA inspector. If you were injured, follow your company's workers' compensation reporting procedure. Complete any additional incident report forms required by your company, which may be separate from job tread. The PM will determine when work can resume in the affected area. What is an incident? Report all of the following, even if they seem minor. Examples: injury, cut, fall, strain, burn, electrical shock, eye injury, any physical harm. Near miss, a fall that was caught, a dropped tool that almost hit someone. A collapse that didn't injure anyone. Property damage, damage to client's home, vehicle, neighboring property, utilities, broken water line, hit power line. Equipment failure, tool malfunction, scaffold collapse, ladder failure. Environmental, fuel spill, asbestos disturbance, lead paint exposure, chemical exposure. Third party, injury or damage involving a client, visitor, neighbor, delivery driver. Important notes. Near misses are as important as actual injuries. They reveal hazards that need to be corrected before someone gets hurt. Never minimize an injury to avoid paperwork. A minor cut can become infected. A small back twinge can become a major injury. Always report. Your incident documentation may be used by insurance, legal counsel, OSHA, or in court. Accuracy and professionalism matter. Do not discuss the incident with anyone outside the company, media, neighbors, social media. Refer all inquiries to the office. Do not post incident photos on personal social media. Edge cases. Subcontractor employee is injured. Provide first aid, call 911 if needed. Document everything the same way. Notify your PM and the sub-supervisor. Your company's documentation protects against claims. Client or visitor is injured. Same protocol. Secure aid document report. The PM and office must be notified immediately for insurance purposes. You are the injured person. If you are able, start the documentation process. If not, ask a coworker to document on your behalf and notify the PM. Incident involves a fatality or amputation. OSHA requires employer notification within specific timeframes. Secure the scene, do not alter anything, and ensure the PM/office contacts OSHA and the insurance carrier immediately. Someone asks you not to report the incident. Report it anyway. Failure to report is a violation of company policy and potentially of law.